So today we're just going to be running a quick surface scan on the TeraDrive hard drive using ScanDisk. So I've booted up to a floppy drive right there. These are the ones that I've replaced the capacitors in, which will be a future video, but it was done earlier. Don't ask me how that works. Oh, what am I typing? I want ScanDisk and I want the C drive. The C, I believe, stands for cabbage. Don't quote me on that one though. So there we go, ScanDisk is away. So now it's pretty much asking us, do you want to scan the hard drive? And the answer is yes. That's why we opened ScanDisk. And as you can see there, there's a few bad blocks. Sorry, bad clusters. And on a drive of this age, this drive would be 91, I believe. It was a lot more common in the past than it is today, or it's hidden a lot better today because you've got much more data, and the way they manufacture drives is a lot better. Or so we're led to believe. Try telling that to someone who likes Seagate. They won't listen to you. I'm a Western Digital man myself. Or Hitachi. Take your pick. There we go, ticking along. None found bad so far, but what's that on the horizon? Ooh. B. Oh, it's already marked, so it doesn't worry about it. But that's good in the way that ones next to it weren't also bad. If anything positive comes out of this, it is that. Oh, we already did a bad cluster earlier. Should have been paying more attention. So that's pretty exciting. Scanning along. Scanning along. Might have a nap. Gosh, imagine doing this on an 8 terabyte. It'd take a day. Thankfully this drive is only 30 megabytes. That's about a few floppies. Well, we're approaching halfway. Here it comes. Yeah. That was exciting. Oh, the WDL-330P has an activity light on the front. Sort of exciting. You can't see it, you get to watch this. It's not my fault. You clicked into the video. Either that or autoplay on YouTube has picked it out for you because you're obviously into this sort of thing. which might make you a bit deranged. Okay, so far all my data is pretty safe. Which doesn't really matter. Hey! So we've done about 11 over 15. 11/15. Soon to be 12/15. 12/15 would simplify down a bit though. Leave your answer in the comments. Interactive videos. Oh, his drive is slower than time itself. Oh, on the home stretch now. After this, I've got 2 more to do. That should make for some more exciting footage. Look at that. No problems, it's all good. So as you can see, it is a a WDL 330p. So this is the second of the ones that I have. And all we are doing is ScanDisk off a floppy disk, scanning the C drive. So here we go. Here begins the fun. For the lack of a better word. And here we go. Thanks for watching.